we've been in this location for 8 years almost. 1601 East Basin, Suite 304.
You do dogs, but also other animals. You groom them?
Cats, if the cats are used to it.
All types of dogs?
All types. Big and small, we do them all. Yes, we do.
So, what's some of the other services that you offer? Because I know that you can do just a shampoo, you can do a shampoo and haircut, you can get your paws.
Get their gland done, their nails done, their ears cleaned out, their pads done, their belt, everything is done.
And then they get used to the groomer.
They get used to the groomer, and which helps a lot, We have some dogs that run through the door, and then we have some dogs that we've been doing forever. They get to the door and they're like, oh no, I don't want to go in there, Mom. But once they're in, they're fine. It's like taking your kid to school.
Yeah.
They don't want to go, but once they're there, they're okay.
So conveniently right off of Basin and Highway 160 across from the sheriff's office, I get my dogs groomed here, and they always come home beautiful. I have to tell you, one of the things that I noticed that you're different than other groomers is that you require them to have shots.
Yes, I do. Especially the younger ones. If they're 10 and older, it's not, and they've had shots before. It's not so much of a requirement. But the younger ones, yes, because too many cases of parvo and bordetella go around, and I don't want anybody to get sick.
You want to make sure that you're bringing your dog to a healthy location.
Yes, and we are. And we're a clean shop. We keep the shop nice, and we keep it smelling good, and we give the dogs warm baths. They don't ever get cold baths. The shampoo and water is heated at all times, which is a plus. And also, on Sundays, I have mobile grooming by appointment only,
So people can give you a call for that?
Yes, if they'd like to, just call me at 727-5056, and we'll set that up for them.
Give a call. That's the best way, right?
Yeah, call 727-5056.
Thanks so much.
And we have warm hearts for cold noses here. We do a lot of difficult dogs, a lot of old dogs, a lot of dogs that other groomers don't want to deal with,
I know I have a difficult dog.
Yeah, she can be, yes. She doesn't like it too much, but she's,
Getting you there.
getting there,